Hey, let's take a look at your LT5 assignment. Don't forget your name. Can't give you credit if you don't put your name on it. And then do the first 8 questions in ALEKS. Do those before you come here. They'll get some of the basics and some of the proofs done. On question number 9, we've got triangle ABC. We're told P is the midpoint of AB. And we're told Q is the midpoint of BC. Now, connect those. I don't know if I'll need to do that. Now, which of the following are true? Is BP the same as BQ? No, not necessarily. Is BQ the same as QC? Yes. Is PQ parallel to AC? Yes, since it's a midpoint, it's parallel. Is PQ half of AC? Yes, it is. So you have 3 of them. Everything is true except for letter A. Let's take a look at number 10. And we'll kind of go through that same thing again. We have our triangle RST. Notice, draw a picture on each of these. X is the midpoint of RS. So here's X. And Y is the midpoint of RT. And I'm guessing we're going to connect those. Given that X to Y is 3Z plus 2, and S to T is 7Z minus 1, we want to find the value of Z. Well, we know X to Y is half of S to T, so I'm going to double X to Y. So 2 times 3Z plus 2 equals 7Z minus 1. And now we'll just solve. So distribute, we get 6Z plus 4 equals 7Z minus 1. Let's solve for Z, so we'll subtract 6Z from both sides. And when you do that, we get, well, I put X, I meant Z. We get Z. Well, I want to get rid of that 1, so let's add 1 to both sides. And Z equals 5. And that's all we're supposed to find on that one, was 5 equals Z. And that's what you would do on that question. Now let's take a look at our next problem. And I think I will graph this one first. And notice everything's in the first quadrant, so I am going to just draw my first quadrant in here. We know J is going to be, or not J, I'm assuming it's J, but 0, 0 is one of our points. 0, 10 is another of our points. And then 10, 10 would be our third point. Draw that triangle in. And I want to find the area. Well, the nice thing is I know vertical line and a horizontal line are going to be perpendicular, so there's my base and height. My height is 10. My base is 10. So to find the area, 1/2 base times height. You should have this memorized at this point. So 1/2 times 10 times 10 will be 50. And it's in square units, so I'll write units squared here just to make it happen. And so there's our answer for number 12.